Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to pay electricity bill by Google Pay. So first of all, make sure that you updated or downloaded the Google Pay on your Android device. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead to my browser, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here. Can I pay electricity bill using Apple Pay? You can pay and keep track of your bills all in one place with Google Pay. From your electric bill to streaming subscriptions, you can manage them all from Google Pay. Some features may not be available on your phone. The steps may be different depending on the device that you are using. All right, so basically if you want to know how you can manage your subscriptions and all that, and you're gonna see right here people and bills, you're gonna be able right here to see it, and you can basically add the payment, right? And basically you can add electricity, right? And then scroll a little bit down in here, you're gonna be able to see electricity, and you're gonna see the electricity billers right here. And then scroll a little bit down, get started, and then follow along the on-screen instructions, and then link the account and then your home address, right? Enter your account number or account ID. If you like, you can add a nickname to your account, and when you're done, tap link account, and basically you're gonna be able right here to see the bills that you have for your basically for your house, for example. And then move along and choose how you want to pay, then tap pay. And then it usually takes up to 3 business days for payments to show up in your account. All right, let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.